Hey there! Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem that Apple Watch users may face. Picture this. You set up a family member's Apple Watch using your own Apple ID and iPhone, and now you want to mute a specific conversation on their watch. The catch: they don't have their own iPhone, which rules out some of the traditional methods of muting conversations. How do we solve this tricky problem? Let's dive in. In terms of the solution, muting a thread on an Apple Watch is actually quite simple. All you need to do is swipe on the conversation list from right to left. When you do this, you'll be presented with two options: a delete option with a red trash can icon, and a mute option with a purple bell icon. To keep things quiet, all you have to do is tap on the bell icon. Easy, right? This method allows you to silence the conversation without the need for the family member to have their own iPhone handy. Problem solved. In summary, muting a conversation on an Apple Watch for a family member without their own iPhone is a breeze. Just a quick swipe and tap on the bell icon, and you can enjoy some peace and quiet from that specific conversation. I hope this solution helps you out with your Apple Watch management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Remember, a muted conversation a day keeps the unnecessary notifications away.